Do you want to know about some unique traits of parrots? Parrots are lived in almost every part of world. There are 350 known species of parrots in the world. They have different in colors. Mostly lived in a warm habitat, but a few types are lived in colder area. Some unique traits of parrots. 1. Like other birds, they have wings, feathers and its beak. That beak use as a hand to climb and hold things. 2. They have a long lifespan from 12 year to 30 year. 3. Female parrot can lay eggs, either male parrot is present or not. 4. They have zygodactyl feet, which is used for climbing and to grip something. 5. Parrot's eyes are placed on the each side of head. Because of that they see a large area. 6. Parrots eat seeds, nuts, fruit, and vegetables. 7. Some species of parrot can talk, like Indian ringneck parrot, Amazons, African greys, etc. 8. Parrots taste by using the tops of their beaks. At the back of throat, there is also a taste glands. That is 300 taste buds in parrot as compared to 10,000 taste buds in human mouth. 9. According to a research, African grey parrot Alex is as much intelligent as a 5-year-old child. 10. Parrots can grind their own calcium supplements. According to a research at the University of York, researcher observed that the Vasa parrot pulverize cockle shells and use it as a calcium supplements.